Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you are watching the post-market show. And it was the second expiry of the September month, and what a good expiry it was. Nifty finally breaking out from the level which we talked about, 30th August level. So Nifty very close to 17,800. That is good to see. Bank Nifty is doing extremely well, ending above 40,000, and not just 40,000, 40,200 and above. So looking very strong, Bank Nifty at the moment. So markets have been bullish. US market yesterday opened and also closed in the green, and that is why it gave a boost to the Indian markets. So we opened with a gap up, and Nifty was slightly volatile, but towards the end it moved up. So if you look at Nifty, it opened directly at 17,750. From there it touched a high of 17,788, fell from there almost 100 points, then again straight recovered towards an ending at 17,800. So very good to see Nifty breaking out from this level which we talked about on 30th August. So Nifty 0.99% up, and Bank Nifty, it was amazing performance. Opened with a gap up and continued to move higher and higher, ending at almost at the highest point of the day, 40,242 is the closing price, and it is up by 1.91%. Bank Nifty did very well today. Apart from that, the Nifty mid cap index did not sustain the gap up. It opened with a gap up but came under severe selling pressure, ending almost flat at 0.18% in the green. And Nifty small cap was also up by 0.7%. So overall markets are on the bullish side is what we can see. Sector wise, it was all about banking sector. Nifty PSU bank index up by 2.5%, Nifty private bank up by 1.88%, and even Nifty financial services up by 1.48%. So it was all about banking and financial stocks today. Apart from that, Nifty auto stocks did pretty well, apart from Tata Motors, which looks slightly bearish. But Mahindra and Mahindra, also Cleveland, these stocks did pretty well. Nifty auto is at 0.6% up. And also because crude oil prices are coming down, so good for auto stocks, good for cement stocks. Cement stocks also did pretty well today. So that's there. Nifty energy ending almost flat, slightly green in 2.23%, and it was Nifty metals today which dragged the markets down at 0.9% in the red. Coming to stock specific action, as I already said, Asian Paints had to go up. It is up 1.46% up, and obviously very important stocks to be discussed is Icici Bank. It is at an all-time high. Finally, it broke out from this level, which it tried to break multiple times, and today it was broken with a lot of strength. Expecting Icici Bank to go up even higher, so very bullish on this stock. So you can consider getting into long position for a positional trade in Icici Bank. Apart from that, TCS also did well today. It was up, and Mahindra and Mahindra, we told you already, 2.5% up M&M. So looking pretty strong. And SBI is another stock that you can watch out for, because it is just 2 rupee away from its all-time high. And today it ended with a positive green candle with a good amount of volume as well. So expecting a good up move in State Bank of India once 546 is broken, and so definitely for tomorrow's trade you can expect State Bank to do well. So maybe you can consider going long in that stock. So this was all about some of the stocks. Talking about Nifty movers of the day, it was all about banking stocks. ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, all of them are in the green. Even SBI is also in the green. Infosys doing pretty well, and also we have Bharti Airtel joining the party with 2.2% up. So overall, it was all about banking and financial services stocks today. And top loser were the metal stocks, which we talked about. Hindalco down 2.8%. Tata Steel down by 1.6%. And Tata Motors, I said, it was not doing pretty well. It was down 0.8% today. So these were some of the stocks to be discussed. Talking about FII and DII buying and selling activities. FIIs have bought for a whooping 2,913 crores, whereas DIIs continue to sell for a small amount of 212 crores. So this is the FII DII buying activity. FII is still buying in the market. They are bullish in the Indian market is what it seems, because global markets are not doing pretty well. Today was the European Central Bank's interest rate decision, and it is already announced. In line with expectation, 75 basis point hike in interest rate. It is now at 1.25 percentage. The European Central Bank's interest rate. So since it came in line with expectation, markets did not react negatively or positively, and that is why we are seeing that the European markets have ended almost flat. German index down 0.09 percentage, French index slightly up by 0.3 percentage, UK markets again slightly down by 0.11 percentage. So no major change happening over there. Now coming to US markets. US markets have opened and it is still trading in the green is what we are seeing, but it looks very volatile. It tries to move up, then huge selling, again it tries to move up, now it's again falling. S&P 500 almost flat at 0.14 percentage, Nasdaq at 1.17, and Dow Jones also at 0.17 percentage. It would be interesting to see if the US markets end in the green today, because yesterday it did pretty well, but if that is a one-off rally or it is a trend reversal, only time will tell. Today's closing, if it is in the green, is definitely a positive sign for the markets. So we have to wait and watch why the US markets close today. US VIX have come down slightly. It is at 24. India VIX crashed by 5.5 percentage. It is at 18.3 right now. Crude oil prices remain below $80, below $85. It is at 83.65. Good for Indian markets. And coming to the currency, dollar index is at 109.7 right now, still near its all-time high. Indian rupees slightly gained strength. It is at 79.69 today. Now talking about what we can expect tomorrow, SGX Nifty is already indicating 17,858, so almost 50-60 point gap up. Let's say see where the US markets end. That will be important. Talking about our markets, you can definitely go long positionally in Nifty with today's low as a stop loss, and you can keep a target of last swing high that was around 17,950 to 980 levels can be easily achieved. And obviously today's low should be the stop loss, and it is always important to keep a stop loss. Same with Bank Nifty, showing a very good volume, and it has broken 40,000, a very important level of resistance. We are expecting it to go up to 40,800 to 900 levels, and from there a profit booking should come into the market, and it can fall till 40,000, and then when it recovers, that will be a good momentum to catch. So Bank Nifty, same thing, you can go long with Bank Nifty with today's low as a stop loss, 40,800 to 900 as the target, and that you can do positionally. So apart from that, there is nothing much to speak about. There is only one data to be announced tomorrow, that is the Chinese inflation data. It is expected to come at 2.8%, 0.1% higher than last month, and we will be watching out for that in 7 a.m. morning. So again, that will be discussed in the pre-market show in the morning. So apart from that, global markets are flat is what we are seeing. FIIs continue to buy in the markets. Every time our markets are opening with a gap down, FIIs are coming and buying. So the markets are recovering immediately from those lower levels. So as long as that continues, Indian market should look firm. But global markets are trading in risky territory. So let's see how long the Indian market can outperform the global markets. So that is all from my side for now. We will meet again for the pre-market show tomorrow morning. Until that time, have a good night and thank you for watching.